Understanding the supplier tile. There is a large amount of information presented in each SPN tile. Hover the cursor over an icon or detail to display a tooltip with more information. Now, understanding the information in the SPN tile, tile banners showing the supplier's name, where the banner in color indicates green for best choice, orange for acceptable, red for risky. Supplier part number links to that part on Octopart website. Country code for the supplier location is ISO Alpha 2. Then source of part information, the color indicates light gray for default, updated less than 1 week ago, orange 1 week or less than last update or last month ago. Red means last update more than a month ago. Stock quantity, red if no stock available. Unit price, red if no price available. Packaging of supplied parts, hover for details. Available price breaks with minimum order quantities.